After a week of news stories about the FTX episode, Cardano's ADA price seemed to be on the cusp of a positive breakout. The ninth largest cryptocurrency on the market experienced drops, testing lower prices of around 31 cents. A recovery to $0.4400 will probably start to take shape if buyers can hold the price steady for a few days. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson has once more taken aim at critics who continue to raise concerns about the development of the ecosystem. The blockchain's creator and CEO of Input Output Hong Kong, the company in charge of its upkeep and development, responded to a tweet criticizing him for making unfulfilled promises. Cardano, which has a foundation in academic research that has undergone peer review, has developed into a powerful community. Cardano, ADA, a well-known cryptocurrency, is a result of the team's objectives and the strong technical foundation it has established. However, unlike the majority of other well-known cryptocurrencies and tokens, Cardano's ADA average value this year was less than its cost at its lowest point, which was $1 in the summer of 2021. Cardano's price has risen as a result of the non-fungible token NFT market's strong performance. According to statistics acquired by OpenNFT, the volume of NFTs has been trending significantly bullish over the past few months. As shown in the graph below, this week saw a surge in the daily volume of NFTs in the ecosystem. After multiple delays, Cardano's Vasil mainnet upgrade, which promised to raise the network's capacity and enhance the scalability of the blockchain, was released on September 22. The same was first announced via a tweet by the Cardano Foundation. On September 27, Vasil's full capabilities became available. Additionally, the Plutus V2 cost model was enabled by the Cardano blockchain, resulting in lower transaction costs for smart contracts. It is anticipated that these modifications would increase ADA's value. As of press time, however, this hasn't happened. This is mostly because of the financial unpredictability around the world, according to Andy Lien, chief digital advisor at the Mongolian Productivity Organization. Interestingly, ADA has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of performance, having appreciated by 1,100%. Cardano, ADA, is a relatively new coin. It is still a network with a lot of potential, though. Due to its modifications, the money transfer system is expanding without any problems in 2022, despite the crypto world crisis. Cardano's ADA reached its peak in the bull market in 2021. ADA's price rose to a value of above $3 in September 2021. The price was forced to take losses once more as a result. Before the significant bear market began, these losses occurred between September and November of 2021. The past few months have seen enormous losses for Cardano. Starting in September 2021, ADA lost a lot of its value. Prior to the same, the price had greatly increased as a result of the creation of smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain at the time. As a result, ADA's price was able to rise significantly to $3. Long favored by long-term investors, ADA has suffered during much of 2022 and is down more than 80% from the year's beginning when it traded at $2.28. Even though ADA, along with the majority of the other crypto markets, had a gloomy September, important updates and strong token fundamentals suggest that it may be poised for a breakthrough in October. Historically, this has been a typically positive month for cryptocurrencies. However, considering that important technical indicators like the RSI and MACD continue to be below 50, suggesting a bearish trend, it seems difficult for Cardano to hit $1 in the upcoming 4 weeks. Popular analyst Peter Brandt even asserted that ADA could decline to less than 25 cents in the near future. There has been buzz surrounding contemporary blockchains like Solana and Avalanche. These pose a direct threat to Cardano and can be distinguished by extremely fast transaction speeds. Owing to the same, one can argue that Cardano needs to look over its shoulder. Despite losses in recent months, Cardano's price prediction should be fairly optimistic. Cardano should eventually become one of the most technologically advanced blockchains on the market thanks to its long-term, scientifically directed development. In the near future, Cardano might outperform Ethereum and other blockchains in every respect. What is the outlook for Cardano going forward? Given everything, purchasing ADA must ultimately be prudent, right? The majority of analysts have optimistic forecasts for ADA. Furthermore, the majority of long-term ADA price forecasts are confident. The Cardano community specifically anticipates a potential increase in the token's value, particularly following the Vasil hard fork. This line predicts that ADA will trade at $2.26 by August 31, 2022, according to NeuroProfit's PyTorch-based price prediction algorithm that uses an open-source machine learning framework. Why do these projections matter? Cardano saw a substantial decline in 2022, falling from a high of $3.10 in September 2021 to a little over 47 cents in July 2022. However, only 75% of the total number of coins are now in use, thus there is still room for investors to amass coins. Also, it seems like the conflict between Ethereum and Cardano may come down to an upgrade war. With the Goguen Mary update behind the latter and Vasil done too, it will be interesting to see what the impact of the same will be on the network and on ADA. Over the past year, Cardano has established itself as one of the most active crypto assets. As expected, it appears that cryptocurrency investors are optimistic as there has been an increase in the number of Cardano wallets. According to Adastar, 121 new wallets have been created on average every hour since ADA's record-breaking price run, a 98% hike. Also, addresses holding between 10,000 and 10 million ADAs have built on their accumulation tendencies, according to Sentiment. Since July 27th, these addresses have increased their portfolios by a total of 0.46% of ADA's current supply. In just over 10 days, this amounts to an accumulation of ADA worth approximately $138 million.